Hello my Beauty and Beyond followers. Today I'll be doing a purple eye look with a neutral lip. Let's get started. I'll be priming my face with Too Faced Prime the Peachy Cooling Matte Primer. I'll be using NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the color Espresso. As my eye base, I'll be using MAC Cosmetics Pro Longwear Concealer in NC35. For color correcting, I'll be using NYX Conceal Correct and Contour Palette. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Concealer where I color corrected, and then I'm going to go in with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I'm spritzing my face with Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, then patting it down with a sponge. Then I will be going in with my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the color Natural Beige to highlight. I like to use brushes more than sponges for controlled application of concealer and foundation. Now I'm going in with my Fit Me Setting Powder by Maybelline in the color 25 Medium. I'm using my Kat Von D shade in my contour palette. To capture the correct application for my contour, I switch between my angle brush and my tapered brush. Here I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me powder to chisel out my features. I'm using the James Charles Artistry palette by Morphe, and I'll be using a light purple shade as my transition color. I'll be applying it with a tapered blending brush. With a flat tapered brush, I'll be applying a purple color underneath my transition shade and blending that in, then using a lighter purple to blend those two colors together. Now I'm using a purple shimmery color on my lid and applying it with my finger for more payoff. On the outer corner of my eye, to create definition, I'll be using a darker purple shade. On the rim of my eye, I'll be using the Infallible Longwear Eye Pencil in the color Black. To wing out my eye, I'll be using NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner. Using a pencil brush, smoke out your lash line with the two colors we used before. Now I'm prepping my lashes for falsies, and I'm applying a coat of mascara, and I'm using the tweezers to apply the lashes from the outer edge, and I work my way to the inner edge. For bronzer, I'll be using Fenty Beauty Sun Stalk'r Bronzer in Caramel Cutie, and then Pinch Me by MAC Cosmetics for blush. Now I'm going in with King Tut by Jeffree Star as my highlighter, and I'm applying it on my Cupid's bow, chin, down the bridge of my nose, and my eyebrow bone. For precise highlighting, I'll be using Precious Petals by Wet n Wild. For lip contour, I'll be using Revlon Color Stay Lip Liner in Chocolate, and then I'll be using the NYX Retractable Lip Liner in Sand Beige. Then I used ABH Liquid Lipstick in the color Hudson. All done. I hope you enjoyed this purple glam. Thanks for watching.